Frustrated by the easy anti-cheat 86 module DLL crashes? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and we're going to re-register those gaming components today. To kick off the easy anti-cheat 86 module guide, I've provided an official resource for maintaining a healthy and synchronized workstation. This is the Easy Anti-Cheat 86 module, the 32-bit implementation of the EAC client required specifically for older 32-bit multiplayer titles on 64-bit systems. If missing from the game's syswow64 redirection path, the game will refuse to join online servers, citing a security module load failure. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. Since Easy Anti-Cheat 86 module DLL is an embedded part of the Epic Online Svc architecture, you should perform a clean reinstall of the application that triggered the message to ensure all proprietary components are restored to their proper paths. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A simple restart can resolve file in use, errors that mimic a missing Easy Anti-Cheat 86 module message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry. We have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Technical warning: many online file mirrors provide versions of Easy Anti-Cheat 86 module DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally modified, putting your privacy at risk without resolving the underlying execution error. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. Instead of manual troubleshooting, you may review automated diagnostic options referenced below for Easy Anti-Cheat 86 module. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and Easy Anti-Cheat 86 module error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.